Yeah, this is part 2. Just had to go get something.
This is the main board for the dryer. I've got to go find out what all I have to take pictures of. I'll be right back. You need to turn on the, well,
Yeah, there's the drum of the huge dryer. This is a jumbo, man. Right here. Huge. Power button. Touch screen. Tells you all your options. This will be this is the washer that we're gonna do later. And they are on pedal stools, which are pretty cool. You have all your stuff in it like that. But yeah, this is an LG Triton. And it's made in Korea. But LG's based in Korea. My dad works for LG, so we got these for free to test them and stuff. Very nice. Main board. Try not to touch anything. But this is an iPod Touch camera, so we're gonna have an HD format.
why'd you take apart my dryer?
Yeah, whatever, Dad.
Alright.
We're gonna take some stills.
Okay, this is the steam generator. Main board.
Ignore the annoying ticking.
Can't really see much on the wiring harness.
Hey Dad, can you tell us why they have it upside down like that?
Because it's too, in other words, it'd be too big for the to fit with the drum being so huge. They try to make everything fit in this small space.
Yeah.
So they
seems to do pretty well though.
Do whatever they can to trim it up.
Convenience.
Well, make the outside as small as possible to fit everything in. Let's see. That's the heater. Maybe take some pictures. Alright, that's good for right now. Let's take the rest of this apart.
If only I had a tripod. And that's the sensor dry. Steam dry, true steam, whatever.
No, that's the bin for it.
I know, sensor dry right there.
No, it has a sensor dry inside. I'll show you that when I get this front cover off.
Okay. Well, I think I'm in the wrong spot, so.
You are.
Ow. And they do not recommend taking this apart. Is that right?
Well, not the customer.
Yeah.
Well, once they.
But
if they buy it, they can do whatever they want with it. It's theirs.
But doesn't it void the warranty?
If they don't put it back together right, it will.
Yeah, so it's not like the PlayStation where if you take off that sticker, it's voided.
Right.
Okay, so you can take it apart, but wouldn't recommend it.
Unless you know what you're doing.
Yeah, like we do. Well, at least we hope we do. Well, at least he hopes he does.
Oh.
I'm just the
The
accomplice.
connectors have little locking devices that you have to push and then pull it apart.
Okay, that makes sense.
That way they don't vibrate loose.
What's that little furry thing right there? That furry liner.
Felt to help make a good seal.
So it doesn't like rub it against it and make it a huge noise?
That too.
Okay. That makes good sense. And this can hold a
Whole bunch of stuff.
whole bunch of blankets? Like comforters and stuff? Huge comforters?
Yes. A couple of them.
Couple of them. That's a good sign. Good stuff, guys. Here, we're gonna start a part 3, so be back soon, guys.